As is well known, insulation materials need to be cut when you install on-floor heating system in your home renovation. If you choose aluminum foam board as the floor heating insulation foundation, it is recommended to use a cutting machine to ensure the flatness of the surface and cut. Through the operation of the worker in the video, you can see that cutting is very convenient without any technical difficulty. Finally, the finished surface is also very clean and beautiful when fixing water pipes onto the aluminum foam plate. In recent years, the recognition of this product in China has been increasing year by year due to its good heating effects. Is this product popular in your country?